Hi guys, my name is Sophia Tansil. I am an 11th grade accounting student from SMK Mutiara Bangsawan. And now I'll show you how to buy a train ticket using Gojek app. Let's get to it. I'm recording this from my phone. First, open the Gojek app, and then your Gojek app will pop up like this. After that, click the more options here. Scroll down and find Go Transit. Next, press Go Transit. Next, you have to turn on your location. Okay, my location is turned on, so we can continue our step. Next, tap the buy ticket button. Next, search your departure station. Mine is Paris station. Search for your arrival stations. I will use Google for mine. Make sure your departure station and your arrival station is correct. Next, choose your payment by tapping this bar. Okay, I'm gonna use the GoPay one, the default one. You can top up your GoPay in mini market like Alfamart, Indomart, or by transfer. Now, click Pay Ticket. Finally, your payment is done. So now, all you gotta do is just go to your departure station and scan the QR code in the entry machine. That's all from me, and if there is anything you don't understand, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching and bye bye.